It was originally built to house took away the view. At the corner is the Montalbans Tour, a former part of a defense wall.
En bekend uitgaanscentrum met Brazilië, Update en internationale restaurants.
On your left, you can see some glorious city villas from the 19th century. At present, in the museum, 17th century paintings can be admired, including Rembrandt's famous painting, The Night Watch. The 17th century dolls' houses are always popular with children. In this cultural city, everybody can find something to his or her liking. The concert hall is world famous for On your left, at number 769 is one of the last. Now you can see the bridge. You can see Amsterdam's most famous bridge, the Heineken Brewery, literally the skinny bridge. It counts for its name. It now houses the municipal transport guard. Which was built upon 3 artificial islands and 8,600 wooden piles in 1889. The station was built by Campbell, the same architect who built the Rijksmuseum.